Ever get that sinking feeling when you realize you have a check but no way to get to a bank? We've all been there. Luckily, the world of mobile banking has made things a whole lot easier. But with so many options out there, can you actually make mobile deposits with Lili Bank? The short answer? Absolutely. But hold on, freelancers and solopreneurs, because there's a little more to the story. Buckle up, because in this video, we'll be diving deep into everything you need to know about mobile deposits with Lili Bank. Why mobile deposits matter? Let's face it, the traditional banking system isn't exactly built for the hustle of freelance life. Between chasing clients and managing projects, who has time for those long bank queues? Mobile deposits are a game changer, allowing you to deposit checks from the comfort of your couch, at your desk, or even while waiting in line for that killer cup of coffee. It's all about convenience and efficiency. No more scrambling to find a branch during business hours, no more wasted time and energy. With mobile deposits, you can simply snap a picture of your check and voila! The funds are on their way to your Lili account. How mobile deposits work with Lili Bank? Now, here's where things get interesting. Because Lili Bank caters specifically to freelancers and solopreneurs, there are a few additional details to consider when it comes to mobile deposits. First things first, you'll need the Lili app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Add Money section and select Mobile Check Deposit. The app will walk you through the process, but here's a quick rundown. Endorsement. Just like with any check, you'll need to sign the back. But here's the twist, right for Lili mobile deposit only below your signature. Snap happy, grab your phone and take clear pictures of both the front and back of the check. Make sure there's good lighting and the entire check is in frame. Submit and wait. Once you're happy with the pictures, submit the deposit electronically. Lili will then review it, and the funds will be available in your account within 5 business days. Eligibility, a quick note for freelancers. There's a small caveat for freelancers using Lili Bank for mobile deposits. To be eligible, your account needs to be at least 30 days old and you must have received a minimum of $200 in ACH direct deposits from a non-governmental source in the past month. This might seem like a hurdle, but it's actually in place to protect both you and Lili from fraudulent activity. Once you meet these requirements, mobile deposits become a seamless part of your financial routine. Beyond the basics, tips and tricks for mobile deposits. Now that you know the ropes, let's explore some pro tips to make your mobile deposit experience with Lili Bank even smoother. Lighting is key. Ensure your check is well lit and flat against a dark background. Blurry or unclear pictures can delay the processing time. Double-check everything. Before submitting the deposit, take a moment to confirm the amount and ensure both pictures were captured correctly. Hold onto the originals. It's always a good practice to keep a physical copy of the deposited check for your records for at least a month after the funds appear in your account. Stay updated. Lili Bank may update their mobile deposit policy or features from time to time. So, keep an eye on the app or their website for any changes. Security concerns. Is mobile depositing safe? Security is a top priority for any financial transaction, and mobile deposits are no exception. Lili Bank utilizes advanced encryption technology to safeguard your information and prevent unauthorized access. However, it's always wise to be vigilant. Here are some additional security tips. Never deposit checks from unknown sources. Be cautious about opening suspicious emails or clicking on links related to your bank account. Report any unusual activity or suspected fraud to Lili Bank immediately. Mobile deposits with Lili Bank are a fantastic way to streamline your finances and free up valuable time. With a little planning and these handy tips, you can confidently deposit checks and keep your business finances flowing smoothly. So, ditch the bank queues and embrace the convenience of mobile deposits with Lili Bank. Remember, being a freelancer doesn't mean sacrificing efficiency. You can have your cake and eat it too. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.